We interrupt this program for a severe weather emergency. The National Weather Service, in coordination with the Department of Homeland Security and local emergency management agencies, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clay, Jackson, Ray, Lafayette, Johnson, and Carroll counties at 7:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and ground spotters confirmed a line of severe thunderstorms moving east at 45 miles per hour. These storms are producing wind gusts in excess of 90 miles per hour. Baseball-sized hail, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning, multiple rotating supercells with tornadic activity. Additionally, unexplained phenomena have been confirmed in affected areas. Residents have reported apparitions or silhouettes visible within lightning flashes, inexplicable sounds on radio and TV frequencies, floating debris suspended unnaturally in midair, sudden severe temperature drops localized within homes and vehicles, dead man walking tornadoes, mental fatigue, unnatural cloud formations, sightings of a humanoid figure with large wings and red glowing eyes. This is a dangerous and highly unusual event. All residents in the warning area are urged to quickly and quietly seek shelter in a basement or interior room away from windows. Avoid using mirrors or reflective surfaces during this event. Ignore any voices you may hear calling your name. Refrain from acting on any unwanted thoughts and urges. Avoid direct eye contact with any anomalies that the storm may produce. Keep a battery-powered radio nearby for important updates, and remain indoors until an all clear has been issued. Emergency services have been temporarily suspended in certain areas due to the unusual conditions. Do not attempt to travel unless your life is in immediate danger. Stay tuned to local television and radio broadcasts for more information. Remain calm, and take action now.